In this video, I'm going to be showing how you can fix the quality of an Instagram story when you upload it to Instagram. I am sure a lot of you have faced this issue that when you upload a story on Instagram, the quality gets really bad. Okay, so a couple of things can be happening here, and one of the most common reasons is that you're on a bad internet connection. Because if you're on a bad internet connection and you try and upload a video to your Instagram story, what Instagram is going to do is they're going to reduce the quality of your video. To fix this, first thing you must make sure of is that you're on a good internet connection. So you can either switch to your mobile data or go a little bit closer to your Wi-Fi router. Just to make sure that the connection is strong. Typically, data is good if you want to upload Instagram stories depending on where you live. Then the second thing you can try and do is to go to the default camera on your phone. So I'm on an Android phone. I'm just going to go to my default camera, and then what I'm going to do from here is I'm going to tap on the camera settings. Here, I am going to set my camera resolution to 1080p. It can even go up to 4K, but that's not really recommended for Instagram. So I'm going to leave it on 1080p. That's if you're uploading stories from your phone's camera by pre-recording a video, then uploading it. And then the next thing you can do to make sure that it uploads within a nice quality is go back onto Instagram. And then if you swap to the right of the screen from the home page, you'll go to the Stories feature. And then from here, you can start recording your videos. If I go ahead and start recording a video, it's now using the Instagram camera, not my phone's camera. And then the last thing you can do is you can go out of here. So I'm going to discard this, and then I'm going to disable Data Saver on Instagram. So if you're on Data Saver mode, you want to disable it by tapping on your profile icon. Click on the three dots button on the top, and then go to Settings. Scroll down and go to Preferences. Here, you will see an option that says Cellular Data Use. Select that. Make sure the Data Saver option is turned off. It will give you full data support to upload your video, hence not compressing or compromising on the quality. And turn on the option that says Upload at highest quality. And there you have it. Instagram will now not compress the quality of your video. And that is how you fix bad Instagram story video quality.